Today we're working on 2.6. On this problem, we have a quadratic that needs to be factored, but there's a negative out front. So I need to pull out that negative in order to factor it. And if I take a negative out of the first one, I have to take it out of all of them, which yields negative 5x squared plus 8x minus 4. Put that in the box. 5x squared and negative 4. Multiply those together. Negative 20x squared. Are there factors of negative 20 that add, oh, not there, that add to be 8? Negative 2x and 10x. What does the top row share? They both have an x. So if I pull out an x, I get 5x minus 2. And if I pull a 5 out of the left column, then I get 2. So my factors are x plus 2 and 5x minus 2. What about the negative? Do I need it? If the answer is made up of the factors, then yes, you need the negative. If the answer is made up of the roots, then the negative doesn't have any effect. So in this case, we need the negative. If the problem said solve, then we would do this, and we would get x equals negative 2 and 2/5, and the negative does not come into play. So if the problem wants you to factor, you need whatever you pulled out. If the problem says solve or find the roots or find the x-intercepts, then you don't need whatever you factored out. All right, what else do we need to do in here? The area of a rectangle is 14 yards squared. The length of the rectangle is 3 yards less than twice the width. So we have a rectangle, and this is the width, or sorry, that's the length. And it says that the length equals 3 yards less than twice the width. So 2L, or sorry, oh, I'm getting it all mixed up. The length is 2W minus 3, and then this would just be W. And we know that the area is 14 yards squared. So what's the formula for the area? Area equals length times width. So 17 is equal to 2W minus 3 times W. Now what should I do? Monte, you're on your phone. You can't be on your phone. Well, I guess you can. Just hurt your grade. So we distribute this. 17 equals 2W squared minus 3W. Now what? Well, it's not 17, it's 14. What's that? Yeah, you don't. It's 14. Okay. What should I do with this equation? (17) equals 2W squared minus 3W. I need to set it up as a quadratic so that I can factor it, which means I need to move that to the other side. 2W squared minus 3W minus 14. Set it up in the box. 2W squared, negative 14. That would be 28W squared. Are there factors of 28 that add to be negative 3? Negative 7W and 4w. Pull out a w, and I get 2w minus 7. Pull out a 2w, and I get plus 2. So w plus 2 equals 0, and 2w minus 7 equals 0. Okay, now this is a little bit confusing. W equals negative 2, or down here I add 7 and divide by 2. So W equals 3.5. What do you think about those answers? Any of those make you a little nervous? Can W equal negative 2? No. Why? Could this side have a measure of negative 2 yards? No. That doesn't make any sense. Right? Length has to be positive. So that actually doesn't work. So 3.5 is W. So if W is 3.5, what is the length? Well, we would put 3.5 in there. 2 times 3.5 is 7, and 7 minus 3 is 4. So the rectangle has a length of 4 and a width of 3.5. Is it possible that you get two answers and both of them work? Yes. Is it possible to get two answers and none of them work? Yes. So all of those are possibilities. All right. Okay. This you're just going to factor. You guys know how to do that. What are we going to do here? What should the first step be? Take out a 4. Do I need the 4? Is it asking me to factor, or is it asking me to find the x-intercepts? It says factor. When I factor, do I need to keep the 4? Yes. If you're finding the roots, then you don't. Okay, we can do that one. We can do that one. And that one. All right, that's it. Get to work on 2.6.